All right, I'm going to show you a new thing that they've got in YouTube Studio. If you go to the left, underneath your icon, you got dashboard, videos, playlist, still in the old format, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright monitoring, and customization. This is a brand new tab on the map or on your left side. So when you click on it, what it does is it brings you to this page where you can customize your channel. And here, if you look, this is the layout. It's got a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So anybody who goes to your channel, they're going to see this video. The feature video for returning subscribers. So whatever your latest video is here, or you could change it by adding, something. Down here, you've got all your playlists. There's your uploads, and popular uploads. These are the ones that have the most views: 3 million, 2 million, 1.5 million, a million, a million. And you can change all this if you want. You can edit it. Now, if you go here, here's your branding. That's your icon. If you want it to change it, you can click here. If you want to remove it, you can do that too. This is your banner that's at the top of your thing. And you can also add watermarks. And you have to upload these. And the image has got to be 150 by 150 pixels. And you can use a PNG or a portable network graphic. JPEG files, 1 megabyte or less. Over here is your channel. We're going to go back to that in a second. Here's your basic information. So here you can change, mine's how to do stuff, iPhone, iMac, stuff like that. I could change this. So, because the beta is gone. So I could just make it YouTube Studio Tutorials, and we could publish that like that. If I click publish, what it's going to do is it's going to change that. Okay, changes published. Now, if you want, you can go to the channel by clicking here, or if I click here, it'll take me there. But underneath this, it has some links. You've got Delray Beach Kiteboarding. That's my, kiteboarding website, and that's my karate website because I do karate and other things. And then it has the contact information, and it has links on banner. If you click here, you can put a number of different links on there, which is cool. Now let's just go to the channel so you can see it. All right, so here's the banner, right? And this here. This is the video, which comes up and plays. Down here are the playlists, how to, the last uploads that I did, of course, and those are all how-tos anyway. It's it has a couple different playlists in there. YouTube tutorials. You also can go back to customize channel here. If you want to look at everything in your channel, here's your videos. There's your playlists. Community. Channels that you're looking at. And then about. And in about, it's got all your information here. It's got a view email address. It has our change that we made, YouTube Studio Tutorials, as you can see. It tells when I joined. It's August 15th, 2016. And then how many views I have, 29 million. Up here, this takes you to that link. This is where you can change this. And this is where you can manage videos, which is, ta-da, our page, which is basically our video manager now. So if I go back, so that was the customization tab, and that's the new option that you have to use in YouTube Studio. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.